Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Fidget Things chill pill here with me for a quick review, and I'm gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. And as usual, you don't have to forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Three things, very easy to do. Let's go ahead and check it out. This guy comes with this pretty cool container, like medicinal, kind of like drug container, and it's it's very ironic. You get the composition, and this rug may annoy others around you, but they are the ones who told you to chill so they can deal with it, and that's pretty hilarious. Do not ingest it, and of course it's not a real pill. It's a big pill right there. There's expiration date is weird. You get some this is, by the way, number 4. There's 5 made of these, and inside you have some padding, let's say, and here you have the chill pill. So this is the zirconium pill number 4 right over here. Okay. And you get to see that's a strong magnet inside, which keeps the two halves attracted to them. So that's very, very simple. Let's see the size. We get 1.4 inches in length and 0.78 inches in diameter. Also, there's quite some heft to it. This guy says 50 grams somewhere right over here. So let's see, in ounces, that's going to be 2.07, and let's check in grams if that corresponds to 50. So it's 58.7, so a little bit heavier than that, but this is like a nicely brushed zirconium toy. You get these two sides, and of course it looks like a pill, and when you are anxious or you need to chill, you just grab this and just split it in your hands like that, and just let the two halves just recoil. See, like this. It's very nice. So of course, like as you just saw, if you bring them too much far apart, they're not gonna be able to attract to each other, but like the right distance, and boom, this guy is gonna come back in contact with the other half. It's pretty cool, guys. It's something you can toss in your pocket and just like play with it. You can rotate, or you can just simply you can hold just like one half, like kind of like this. Oops. And this fella, like with the 2 fingers, is just nice feeling. It's a very minimal toy, like super simple design, very clever. I like the irony, the sarcasm going on the box, on the packaging. It's pretty cool, I think, and it's obviously really good looking, super simple. In the hand it feels good, and the sound, it's kind of like 2 marbles clashing together. So there's not really a way to have this thing snap in place being quiet. So there's gonna be a little bit of noise even if you do like it can't be quiet. So this might annoy somebody, but these are the people that told you to chill. So grab the chill pill, enjoy the pill, and be happy. So there you have it. I really, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.